I cannot believe how good this roof looks. It looks a brand spanking new.
Our home on wheels is drawing closer to being finished. In our previous bus build vlogs, we've proved that it's possible for two inexperienced people to take on the challenge of a bus conversion.
Here we go.
We hope that these vlogs will help anyone looking to do the same and inspire you to hit the road. We're James and Alex. For years we travelled the world until COVID threw a spanner in the works and we decided to return to Australia and build our home on wheels.
It's starting to look so good.
In today's video, we tackle everything to do with our roof. From our Max fan that will help us with airflow and outside on the roof where we need to get rid of the surface rust. But before we get started, it will mean so much if you hit that like button for us, just so this video can reach more people like you who are also seeking help with their bus or van conversion. Thanks guys.
So today's task is to get the Max air fan in, and we've got the assistance of James, who is helping us out again today because James has done this multiple times before, so no pressure, James. We're just doing all the measurements at the moment, trying to line up where the panels are on the underside of the bus. If we can get it there or thereabouts, that'd be great, but we're not going to be too precious, and hopefully ultimately we can just get it installed today. We have a hole in our roof. And the Max air fan is in. One of the biggest challenges for us was the fact that we'd already completed the shiplap on the underside of the ceiling. So obviously the challenge was trying to line it up as accurately as possible, and it looks bang on. It's dead straight. It's exactly where we wanted it to sit, and it's exactly above where the gas hob is gonna be. So super, super happy.
Sexy.
Voila. Today's not going to be a fun day for Alex and I, because when we were installing the Max air fan, we kind of discovered that there was a few rust spots on top of the roof, just on the ribs of the actual bus itself on top. Today's task is to get rid of all that, so I'm hoping to be able to share with you our experience in terms of the processes we take, the products we use, the materials we use, and how much it's going to cost us. I'm hoping that we have what we need to get the job done today. Look at that. This side is taking a few seconds with a bit of wet and dry, and this side is completely dirty, grubby and rusty. So that is really doing the job. So this is probably the biggest rust patch that we have on the roof. What I'm going to do is get my paper, get my block, and I'm going to lightly sand whilst applying lots of water and see if this works. That has made such a massive difference. It's really doing a great job, so I'm going to keep going, get rid of all these bits and see how we go.
Honestly, I'm so proud of James for doing this morning, because we don't really know much about rust, so the fact that it is coming up this easy is a godsend. The guys down at Super Cheap Auto, James said, were actually amazing. A lot of advice around exactly what to do, so I'm going to let James get on with it, and yeah, I'll get on with some other things.
This is a couple days after tackling the roof rust, and to be honest, I'm pretty happy how it's all come up, because if you remember, this was all lined with rust, all surface rust. So the next step is to apply wax and grease remover. Now this next step is important because we want to make sure that there's no remnants, any dust, any dirt, anything that's going to be there on top of the surface before we use the primer, because otherwise it's going to get caught underneath. Oh, that's a strong smell. I reckon it's going to take me maybe 30 minutes to 60 minutes to do the whole roof, but we shall see.
James has been at this now for about 3 minutes.
Says shake hand vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes until you can't really hear the ball bearing.
Or your arms fall off.
So we've got edge primer, surface primer. I've just waxed and greased the roof, and I'm going to apply this in 2 or 3 coats. And then 4 hours later, I will sand it back with 800 grit. Then after that, we can paint it.
And pray it doesn't rain in between.
I hope not. Here we go. Okay, I've been going for maybe 3 hours, and I reckon I've gone through exactly 4 cans, and I've covered pretty much every single bit of area that I wanted to cover. If I give you a bit of an idea of what it looked like before, as you can see, there's lots of like rust spots everywhere. I had to address some small bits, some big bits. I had to tackle some bits that were in grooves, and it's come up so good. As you can see, I could not be more happy with how it's turned out. Don't be afraid that if you've never done this before yourselves, you can do it, whether you're doing a bus conversion, van conversion, or even you have to do up your own car. It just goes to show that you don't have to pay out the nose for tens of thousands of dollars or pounds or whatever your currency is to get someone to do it. You can do it yourself as long as you have the time and patience.
So today is the day that we can finally paint the roof of the bus. So far what we've done is we have newspapered up all of the windows. So yeah, it's a super hot day, so I think James is hoping to get it done as quickly as possible and let it dry. So hopefully it goes okay and the colour matches. Come up. How's it going?
I'm just absolutely knackered.
It is a very, very hot day, which is perfect conditions for painting, but not perfect conditions for James Rock.
No.
You're getting a nice tan though.
One bonus.
I cannot believe how good this roof looks. It looks a brand spanking new. I think you're in the wrong trade.
Definitely not. Oh, I'm knackered. My feet are literally on fire. And this is all we have left. We literally had 4 cans and it was perfect. We have our new roof. Oh my god, I am so knackered, but boy am I happy how this has turned out. We have gone from a surface rust bucket to pretty much a newly painted roof. We saved ourselves like probably 5 grand by spending $200.
You've done an amazing job. I'm so happy with it. It looks so good. It's like a brand new bus.
Oh, it really does actually look like a brand new bus. The next thing to probably tackle is any other surface rust that might be on the sides of the bus. There's actually not that much, so hopefully it should be a good job when we do get around to doing it. But for now, we're gonna go inside, get some lunch, make the most of the shade and the aircon. pretty sure we have some roof racks. I was like, who's wolf whistling at me? It is working. Oh. Can you see me?